On today's What Is It, we've got the CVF Racing Wraptor Serpentine System. What it is a premium billet serpentine system to spruce up your engine bay. Diving in, CVF offers many solutions to upgrade the serpentine system, ranging from small and big block domestic to modern late model performance. Off the bat, the CVF serpentine kits are constructed here in the USA from billet aluminum and CNC cut for the ultimate finish. Whether you are looking to upgrade your serpentine system on a newer late model engine or convert your older V-belt setup, this is a great option. Looking further into the features, these are some of our favorites to note. The ability to spec in multiple different finishes with or without the C3 ceramic coating. Many different accessory options and configurations in regard to power steering pumps, timing covers, alternator, and crank pulleys. And of course, a perfect fit and finish for a drop-in install, all made in New Prague, Minnesota. If you are interested in learning more about the CVF Racing Serpentine Kit or would like to get your vehicle set up, contact us here at APA Custom Shop and we will get you dialed in.